Today, I'm putting my creativity to the test by letting you decide what I should do next. So, drop your wildest ideas in the comments and let's see if I can pull them off. When it comes down to creating content for this channel, I wanted to make sure that I'm making videos that you guys actually want to watch. And that's where you come in. By sharing your thoughts and ideas, you get to shape the direction of my channel and help me create content that resonates with all of us. Creating content can be a challenge, to say the least. I mean, with so many different topics and formats to explore, it can be tough to decide what to focus on next. And that's exactly why I need your help. With so many different interests and passions out there, it's impossible for me to know exactly what you guys want to see without hearing from you directly. I've been doing this for a while now, and I've learned that trying to guess what people want to watch just doesn't work. I've made videos that I thought were going to be huge, only to have them fall flat. And I've made videos that I thought were just okay, only to have them blow up and become super popular. So, at the end of the day, the only way to really know what you guys want is to ask. I've got a bunch of different ideas floating around in my head, from tutorials to reviews to just plain old fun and games. But I want to hear from you. What do you want to see more of? What topics do you want me to dive deeper into? Are there any formats or styles that you're just not getting enough of? Maybe you're someone who loves it when I do crazy challenges or take on tough projects. Or maybe you're someone who's all about the educational content and wants to see more of that. Whatever it is, I want to hear about it. I've got a ton of ideas for future videos, but I want to make sure that they're ideas that you guys are going to love. I've been lucky enough to have some amazing viewers who have shared their ideas with me in the past, and it's always blown me away. I remember getting comments like, "Hey, why don't you try this?" Or "Have you ever thought about that?" And it's like, wow, why didn't I think of that? It's those kinds of comments that have helped shape the direction of my channel and have inspired some of my favorite videos. From doing crazy 24-hour challenges to exploring weird and wonderful products, I've had some amazing opportunities thanks to your suggestions. And I'm hoping that this video will inspire even more of those kinds of comments. I want to hear your wildest, most outrageous ideas, and I want to see if I can make them a reality. So, to wrap things up, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for watching, thank you for engaging, and thank you for being part of this community. Your input is what makes this channel special, and I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. If you've got a suggestion, no matter how big or small, please leave it in the comments below. And if you want to see even more viewer-driven content, be sure to check out my video on how you guys have shaped my channel in the past. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.